Okay, now I'm going to present you our theory in order to measure the street. Here we notice that the whole structure looks like a half circle. And with that, we did this. In here what we are doing is that we measure the external sides and the internal ones. So we got that the external side is 42.74 meters and the internal one 40 meters. With this, we thought that it looks like a cylinder. So we imagine that it's a big and a small cylinder. So here we represent the internal part, that it would be this one, and the external part, that it would be this one. And then what we did is that we've got the volume of the big cylinder, and then the volume of the small cylinder. And with that, we subtracted to the big cylinder the volume of the smaller one.
This is our theory for the surface. We still have the theory of the half circle and the cylinders. But how could we obtain these values? What we believe is that by extracting the big cylinder circles and subtracting it this little cylinder, we get a difference of circles. We calculate the area of a circle and the area of the smaller one. After subtracting it, we have this value, and multiplied twice, we have this fraction of what we need to know. Now, we need to get these rectangles in order to have the surface, right? So it's the length multiplied by the height twice, because we need to get both rectangles. And finally, we need to know the inner area, which is the small perimeter over the height, and the outer area, which is this small perimeter over the height, multiplied by the height, and divided by 2. Now, what we do after extracting every fraction of these values is adding this one plus 2 times these arcs and 2 times the little rectangles we can see here. And by getting all that together, we find the final surface of the structure, and it would be measured in square meters.
Our final answers consist in this. Our volume equals to our both imaginary cylinders to the difference area of our both imaginary cylinders over 2. After multiplying and doing the difference, our final answer is 1,495.6479 meters cubed. And our surface equals to the equation we said before. Developing this, our final surface gives us 2,286.1711 meters squared.